Hello guys! Today, my friend and I will be presenting our group project for subject MAT123. There are two cases that we like to share and discuss with you. The first is about Tower of Pisa and the second is about Batu Seremban.
Hi everyone, today I would like to talk about one of the most famous architectural landmarks in the world, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a medieval bell tower located in Piazza dei Miracoli, Italy. Its construction began in 1173, but it took almost 200 years to complete due to frequent interruptions caused by war. The tower started to lean as early as 1178, after the third floor was built. This happened because its foundation was only 3 meters deep and was constructed on soft and stable alluvial soil. As a result, the ground could not properly support the weight of the tower. During the 13th and 14th century, architects such as Giovanni di Simone and Tommaso di Andrea Pisano attempted to correct the tilt by building the upper floor slightly taller on one side. This effort gave the tower its unique curve, which was completed in 1372. By 1990, the tower had reached a dangerous inclination of 5.5 degrees. A major stabilization project was carried out, where soil was removed from the higher side of the tower to reduce the net. After this decade-long effort, the tilt was successfully reduced to approximately 3.97 degrees. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's reopened to the public in 2001 and remain one of the world's most famous architectural oddities. In terms of characteristics, the tower weighs about 14,700 metric tons and has a ring-shaped diameter of 19.6 meters. The walls are 4.1 meters thick at the base and 2.7 meters thick at the upper levels. It consists of 180 columns at the base and 12 columns in the belfry. The shape of the tower is cylinder. Structurally, the tower is mainly cylindrical in shape. Cylinders are used because they distribute stress evenly and do not have corners, making them very strong under heavy loads. That's all from me. Thank you.
Let's move to the calculation. If the Leaning Tower of Pisa were a solid cylinder with a diameter of 50.5 meters and a height of 56.7 meters, what would be its total volume? Firstly, to find the radius. How to find the radius? Diameter divided by 2, and then you get 7.75 meters. Second step is, you need to determine the formula of cylinder's volume. V equals 5 r squared and h, where the h is for height. Third step is, you need to fill in the values you get into the formula. V equals 5 multiplied by 7.75 squared multiplied by 56.7. Last step is, you need to perform the calculation. First, squaring the radius, and then you get 60.0625. Then you need to multiply by the height. You get 3,405.54375. Lastly, you need to multiply by pi, and then you get the total volume of the tower, which is 10,698.83 cube.
Batu Seremban. The history of Batu Seremban, known as Batu Seremban or Serembat, on the west coast and in East Malaysia. The game is also widely referred to as Serambut in the northern and eastern coastal region of the peninsula. Historically, players use 5 to 7 stones, known as buah, sourced from nature, such as smooth pebble, marble, or rubber seed. But modern versions typically utilize small, pyramid-shaped, cloth beds often crafted from traditional batik or songket, filled with sand, rice, or saga seed. As for 2026, it remains a beloved old school staple in school and culture festival across Malaysia, evolving from its ancient global origin into a distinct symbol of local community and cultural identity. The goal is to progress through a series of increasingly difficult stages called boa by tossing one object into the air and gathering other from the floor before catching the tossed one. It has 7 stages. The first one is scatter the stone. Toss one stone, pick up one from the floor, and catch the tossed stone. Repeat until all stones are collected one by one. The level 2, similar to level 1, but you must pick up 2 stones at a time during each toss. In the level 3, pick up 1 stone on the first toss, then the remaining 3 stones together on the second toss. Level 4, toss 1 stone and pick up all 4 remaining stones from the floor simultaneously. Level 5, sorry about my grammar. Toss 1 stone, place 4 stones on the floor and catch the tossed one. On the next toss, pick up all 4 stones again. Level 6, often called the exchange level, with 2 stones in hand. Toss 1, exchange the other with a stone on the floor and catch the tossed stone. The last level typically involves your opponent choosing a mother stone for you to toss, then scoop the rest in a single motion. Shape of buah seremban. It was tetrahedron pyramid. The tetrahedron pyramid is a fundamental 3-dimensional shape known for its exceptional rigidity and stability, which stems from the composition of interconnected triangles. This shape is a natural outcome from fundamental physical principles across chemistry, engineering, and material science. It defined by the following properties. It has face, edge, vertex. It has 4 triangular faces, 6 straight edges, where each edge connects to vertex, the last one. 4 vertex is corner, where 3 faces meet at each point. This. Okay, thank you.
Let's move to the calculation. A batu seremban bag is sewn into a perfect tetrahedron shape. If the length of each edge of the bag is 6 cm, calculate the total surface area of fabric used to make the bag. Give the answer insert. Firstly, you need to identify the shape of one face. A perfect tetrahedron consists of 4 identical equilateral triangles. Second step is, you need to calculate the area of one equilateral triangle, which is square root 3 over 4 multiplied by s squared, where s is known as side. Third step is, you need to substitute the side length into the formula, and then you get 9 multiplied by square root 3 cm squared. Step 4 is, you need to calculate the total surface area by multiplied by 4. And lastly, you get the answer, 36 multiplied by square root 3 cm squared. That's all from us. Thank you.